located in the central part of the body. So we all know this is the upper portion, this is the lower portion, the center to be known as the navel. Umbilicus also numerous types of the umbilicus. One is the round umbilicus, the oval umbilicus, and then vertical umbilicus, and a flat umbilicus, and deep hollow umbilicus, and also there is the T-shape umbilicus. So which is the most beautiful umbilicus? This umbilicus is the most beautiful umbilicus. This is the T-shape umbilicus or the deep umbilicus, right? So now this umbilicus to be known as especially this particular region is the deep connected to the organs, internal organs, but according to the Ayurveda and the various systems, because 70 to 72,000 Nadis and 72,000 veins are there, so that veins are communicating and regulating to the entire system of the body and communicating, reaching it, opening all the channels in our body. So therefore, once we activate this particular region, but according to the Chinese acupuncture, we should not penetrate through the acupuncture this specific point. We just apply the moxibustion to this particular region by using the ginger moxa, the garlic moxa, so on. When I take that particular moxibustion subject, I'll show you that how to do that practical. But however, now let me see about, since we should not apply the needle, to do the massage. The massage also really good to treat for the numerous diseases connected to the male and female related disorders, and different oils also can be used over here. But now you just use the oil massage, or how the oil pulling therapy is there. By mouth we put it and do the oil pulling. In the similar way, we just apply the oil to this particular region to massage it for the various diseases. Now let me see, this here is the virgin coconut oil over here, and just if the vomit, you just boil it for a minute or two, and then you just, after cooling, you just put it the few drops of the oil in this particular region, nearly 5 drops. So at least minimum is 2 to 3 drops also quite enough. It is a very deep is there, that particular region, we just apply few drops, around 10 drops maximum according to the hollow region we just applied over here, and then you just place it for few seconds, and then you just massage it in this particular region. Now I am doing just as a clockwise direction massage interiorly, gently, is not too deep, not too hollow. You just massage it very superficial level, gently, that giving mild pressure to this particular region. Now I am activating to the navel region. In fact, this is connecting to all the nadis in our body. We all know when the fetus of the mother's womb, the infant is developing, the entire for the 9 months, 10 days, the nutrition supplement to be given through this placenta only, through this umbilical region only. So therefore, once the nutrition is giving through this, then of course the entire system of the body, the energy, the chi circulation to be taken place through this nadis. This is called as a Manipura chakra. Right, this Manipura chakra is open, then the solar plexus are open. When the solar plexus are normal, the alignment is not upward and downwards direction. So that will be regulating the solar plexus in the particular position that says the nabi goes upward direction, downwards direction. Meri nabi khis gayi hai, solar plexus get changes. All these things can be regulated by activating this particular point. Once we use the coconut oil, this always is good for the numerous diseases, especially for the female related disorders, especially who having the infertility and other related problem like having the excessive heat in the colon and also heat in the lower abdomen. That particular region we just activate clockwise. Now I am doing as a anti-clockwise direction. This will be really helpful to making the harmony between the internal organs to be known as a colon, because this particular region to be colon related disorders, the intestine related disorders, stool related problem, digestive related issues, and also many more related. This called as a second brain. The brain, first brain is located, physiological brain is in the brain. The second brain to be known as a navel is the second brain. That's called as a middle gut, or when the gut and brain axis is good. Always I used to tell, if this gut and then brain is good, then always our health is good, our thought is good, our the intellectuality is good. When we have the pleasantable feeling always, our memory also will be good. We activate the people who are suffering for the abdominal related problem, gastric related issues, acidic related issues. We activate anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. This is called as the internally. When the patient is complaining about the various kinds of the pains are there, especially anywhere in the body, so that particular time we just apply the oil. We just applying the oil on this surface, on the outer surface of the abdomen. So this will be, once you place it the oil over this region, so we just activate like this. So clockwise direction. Where is oil? So we just apply just place it the oil over here, and then we massage this direction. So this is like a clockwise direction. And then anti-clockwise direction.
15 days once we can do for this.
Every day, if the problem is there, that particular time, the person is suffering for the abdominal pain, knee pain, back pain, for that conditions, we generally use this condition for 40 days. It's recommended every day before going for the bed. So this is the clockwise and then anti-clockwise direction. Around maximum 5 to 10 minutes can be recommended this particular region. Now what are the different oils having the different solutions for that? But normally for the day-to-day clinical practice, women or the men are getting the osteoarthritis of the knee pain. Especially the knee pain is there. That particular time we just put the castor oil is good. We just place it the 10 drops of the castor oil and then ask him to do this manipulation, which I have shown the procedure. This procedure is same for all kinds of the indication. But now the people who are suffering for the normal knee pain or the arthritis knee pain, it is recommended to put the oil and then massage it. This always is good. At least 10 minutes maximum can be given, minimum 5 to 10 minutes. But at the same time can be given nearly 40 days to be continuously every day. Of course, one day you will going to miss here and there is not a problem, but every day is recommended. When the person is having the problem is connected to the excessive heat or the excessive obesity is there, so that particular time we wanted to use some oil, that oil to be known as a olive oil. You just use the zaitun का तेल लगा दो, फिर उसको मसाज कीजिए. The abdominal related disorders, that soothing effect to be taken place. At the same time, for the glow of the skin or the pimples are there, when that particular situation, when we wanted to use some oil, better we can recommend the neem oil. So neem oil is always good. We all know it is the proven according to the scientific applications, but neem oil is good for the health and neem is good for our skin. So once you apply the oil over here, and you can see the amazing results for the acne vulgaris or any kind of the carbuncles on the face, any kind of the glow of the skin to be taken place. If the glow is required, that particular time I recommend over here as a castor oil. Not castor oil, sorry, is the almond oil. Almond oil is good for the glow of the skin generally. So for that we just use this particular region, that always is good. At the same time, when we wanted to use the various oils like a mustard oil or the til oil or the sesame oil, these and all having the heat properties. So that particular time when the patient having the cooling effect of the body, the respiratory illness or some kind of the lungs related problem, so that particular time the mustard oil or the sesame oil is always good. At the same time, it has been proven that is using the alcohol, you should not, drinking is not recommended, the alcohol, but at the same time for the local application having the medicinal effect, once we use the alcohol over in this region, that also good to strengthen our pulmonary system as well. So this is the procedure to doing this activation. So this also treating for the middle geo. Middle geo is good, then the lower geo also good, and then upper geo also good. Do you have any doubts on this? Right.
Do in an empty stomach or in a
night time? Yes, good. Empty after stomach food. Or after food, before bed also can be recommended. Yes. ठीक है.